In our daily lives, a healthy smile does much more than help us look good. It affects how we eat, speak, and feel. But when teeth are worn down, damaged, or missing, even simple tasks can become uncomfortable or embarrassing. Many people live with dental pain for years, believing their situation is too complicated to fix. That's where full mouth reconstruction comes in. It's a comprehensive treatment plan designed to rebuild your entire smile and restore your oral health from the ground up. For many, dental problems feel overwhelming or too advanced to fix. Thankfully, full mouth reconstruction offers a solution by fully rebuilding and restoring your smile. This approach isn't one single procedure. Instead, it's a customized plan that may include crowns, implants, gum treatment, bite correction, and more, tailored to each patient's unique needs. The goal is to restore comfort, function, and confidence, helping you chew, speak, and smile without pain. Full mouth reconstruction is ideal for people with multiple dental issues, including severe decay, missing teeth, worn enamel, jaw pain, gum disease, or past dental trauma. The timeline varies. Some patients complete treatment in a few weeks, especially if crowns or veneers are involved. Others who require implants, gum therapy, or orthodontics may need several months to allow for proper healing. Your dentist will guide you through every phase, ensuring you feel informed and confident along the way. The benefits of full mouth reconstruction can be truly transformative. You'll experience improved oral health, stronger teeth, a more balanced bite, and a smile that enhances your appearance and confidence. Beyond aesthetics, restoring your oral health can also support better overall wellness by reducing inflammation and chronic discomfort. It's important to remember that full mouth reconstruction is not the same as a smile makeover. While smile makeovers focus mainly on appearance, reconstruction prioritizes health, function, and long-term stability, while still giving you a beautiful, natural smile. After treatment, your dentist will provide care instructions to help maintain your results, from daily brushing and flossing to scheduled checkups and protective night guards if needed. Proper care ensures your renewed smile lasts for many years. If you're considering rebuilding your smile, the team at Fillmore Dental Group is here to guide you. With advanced technology, restorative expertise, and a personalized approach, they help patients confidently begin their transformation. Take the first step toward a healthier, more comfortable smile. Contact Fillmore Dental Group at 805-524-9100 and start your journey to renewed confidence and lasting oral wellness.